Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. This is my continuing giveaway. It's called my treasure trove giveaway. And I've been doing this for a very long time. I do this about once a month or so, and y'all seem to like it. And as long as y'all continue to like it, we're going to continue to do it. So what I do is I will show you 3 groups of gifts, giveaways, and then you choose in order of how you would like to win them. And I'll explain more of that as we go, because it's a little, I don't think it's very difficult. It's just, for some reason, difficult for me to say. Anyway, so I've already picked a winner from last time, and I'll tell you who that winner is, but I'll show you really quick what I have on my face. I have on the Ciate Royal Edition. This is beautiful. Here it is. Very pretty colors in here, and really beautiful packaging. I love that royal blue, or navy blue, I should say navy blue. And then on my lips, I have this MAC Lippy. This is E for Effortless, and it's wonderful. It feels really creamy. You'd think for like a matte lipstick, it would not be creamy, but it is. MAC is a great lipstick line. So my winner from last time, and I'll show the comment picker picture at the end of this, so you know, because I'm not real sure how to say the name, but I'll do my best. It's Michelle, I think it's Rickard. Michelle Rickard, R-I-C-K-A-R-D, and then it says $12.90 after the name. So that is the name. So Michelle, congratulations to you. Please congratulate her, y'all below. And now we'll go on. Oh, she chose group number 3, which is a mystery. So we're going to continue and bring forward group number 1 and group number 2. So let me show you. I think sometimes I'm a little mixed up. I don't always get a little mixed up. So if they're a little mixed up, they're a little mixed up. So group number 1 has this Pure Big Look mascara. And you know, I've been opening this a few times, so it's gonna get, the box might get a little messed up. This is such a pretty mascara. Look how pretty that is. Big Look Pure. I have used Pure mascaras before, but never this one. So I'd like y'all, whoever wins this, I'd like y'all to let me know how you like it, because I just get so many mascaras and I use them, but I can't use every one that I get. I just get too many. And also in here is this cute little Real Her Celebrate Diversity matte lipstick, and it's in this color, and this box is seriously gonna fall apart here soon. It's super cute little lippy. It does say Real Her, but it's in gold. I don't know if you can see it. And that's the color, a really nice neutral. Personally, you know, some of the neutrals that are out there, like the beigey kinds, to me, you have to have just the right look to use those. But this is a mauve neutral, and I think anybody, any skin tone can wear this. That's what I think. Now, if you don't agree with me, you can let me know. But that's how I feel about it. Also in this giveaway, I have this Grande Glow, and I'm telling y'all, it's dried up, but y'all told me to keep it in. I'm trying to shake it, but because I've had several of you want this and say that it's a fabulous highlighter. So you might be able to get it to work again. I didn't realize when I first put it in that it does seem to look a little dried up. I don't remember where I got it, but I got it in a box, you know, somewhere. So, and I can't say that I've used it before because I don't remember if I have. It is really beautiful, but because it looks a little dried up maybe, and it might not be. I did throw in another highlighter just so you get a highlighter, and that is the Floss Brighten Up. This is really pretty. And I'm thinking, you know, Floss has like small items. I think this might be a full size. Mostly this giveaway is about minis, but see how that's gorgeous, really pretty highlighter. So you'll be able to, you know, use a highlighter in there. You know, if you don't like that one, if this ends up being not in good shape, you can just toss it, you know. And then there is this little Barbie. This is a perfume that we got in that smells good. I don't think I ever spritzed it, but it's sweet. It would be nice for summer, but so far I haven't had a winter pick this, the Barbie perfume. That was from Ipsy. And then this also has the Jasmine Beauty. This is a brow styling wax, and this is just plain. It is, it's for anybody. It's a clear, it's clear. So you just can style your eyebrows. I'm not going to open it, but it's a nice wax. I have used this before, and I do like it. I don't put colors on my eyebrows. So if I'm going to do something or I need to keep my eyebrows down, which maybe I should have done today, I would use something like this. You apply it with your fingers or with a brush. And then this also has the Allure Beauty Pedicure. This is a 4-step pedi kit, and this is really cool. This is a really nice, luxurious way to take a little care of yourself. Just take a few minutes out of the week. Step 1 is a soak. Step 2 is a natural pure sugar scrub. Step 3 is the nourishing cream mask, and step 4 is the skin remedy massage cream. And this is in the scent Pearl Glow. I got a package of 5, I think, of those, and each one has a different, scent. So that's group number 1. So if you like that one the best, then you put that one number first. Hey Mary, congratulations to your winner. I would like group number 1, or just number 1. You don't have to say group or giveaway, or you don't have to say all that. So number 2 is going to be this Grande Lash MD. It gets rave reviews, $69 value. I think this is, if I remember correctly. I have tried to use this, but you have to be consistent. People that use it consistently say that their lashes do get thicker and fuller. I am not good at that. But this is what it looks like. It is shrink wrapped. We get this in boxes from time to time, and it does have a great reputation. If you look this up if you Google this, you'll see it gets rave reviews. So that is one thing there. And then we have this Poppy and Pout. This is pomegranate peach lip balm, and it is sealed, so we're going to leave it sealed. It does show this right here. It says no bad days, so it may be in that color, but when you're a lip balm, it's really more for moisture, and it might give you a little bit of a tint, but it won't be much of a color, most likely. Also, we have from e.l.f. this cute little palette. I have it in the little bag it came in, shrink wrap. This little cute bubble bag. This is a bite-sized eyeshadow in pumpkin pie. These are great neutrals for any time of year, in my opinion. And then we have from Kiehl's the Ultra Facial Cream and the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. And also we have the Dashing Diva Magic Press. These are short nails. These are really pretty, beautiful for spring and summer. They're lilac color. Then these have flowers on them, like wildflowers. And then these are sort of clear, opaque maybe, with some purple glitter. And these, what I have on, are long. So these are short, much shorter than these. A lot of you all said that you do prefer the shorts. I prefer the mediums. But these are long because I have them and they were on sale. And that is group number 2. So if you like that one better, then you would put that as your first. And then group number 3. Group number 3 is a mystery. You're not going to get this bag. I have some bags. Maybe I'll give you a bag. I don't know. But group number 3 will be hidden. Mystery. It's a mystery. I love this bag, y'all. It's so cute. So cute. If somebody really wants it, they can tell me. But anyway, group number 3 will be a mystery. So you'll get about, what do I have in here? Like 7 items, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 7, 6, 7, 8 items. And, this is in group number 2 also, I think. This is Avita, the Nutriplenish Leave-In Conditioner. I'm pretty sure that goes with group number 2. So, I think so. But y'all, so, like I said, hey Mary, how are you? Or whatever you want to say, or, whatever you want to say. And congratulations to our winner, to Michelle. If you'd like to say that would be great. And then I like group number 2 best, and then I would like group number 3, and then group number 1, or however you want to do it. Okay, so that is this giveaway, and I hope you enjoy this. And my Camille is just falling asleep right here, so she's just the cutest thing, y'all. I just wish she was. I wish that her behavior matched her beauty, because she's rotten. She's still rotten. She's over a year now, and she's still rotten to the core. But I love her. I love her even though she's rotten. But yeah, the boy. It's a long story. Anyway, let me finish up, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. I know that the day that I'm putting this up is a Sunday, so I hope that y'all have had a wonderful weekend so far. I hope you have a great day. It's very, very hot in many, many places, so please make sure that you take the best of care of yourself. And check on your friends and neighbors to make sure that they're staying hydrated and that they're cool. And, yeah, so be careful, y'all. Be careful. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.